Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and today I will be unboxing the Dyson V7 Motorhead vacuum cleaner, which is this one. It's a really pretty purple one. This is my favorite color. It's more fuchsia actually than purple, but that's one of my favorite colors and I'm really happy that I got it. I basically got it for the purpose of doing my steps. In our previous home we had steps, but it was not carpeted. This one is, and it's very hard to use the typical or standard vacuum to do the steps. It's just really heavy, it's clunky, it gets in the way, and it takes a lot of time and it becomes really frustrating. So if you want to see what's in this, please meet me in the next clip. So in this package, like all packages, you will get your warranty, and I don't usually do the warranty, or do I? No, I don't buy the extra stuff, but I would normally call in and sign up for the warranty. And then there is the manual for this product inside here. This is that's not for you to chew. Anyways, this is the first piece that I'm taking out, which I'm gonna call the long neck, because I couldn't find any official names for it. Oh, come on, Hoot. Move over. No, no. Hoot, no, no. Come on. Alright, buddy. Out of the way. Alright, that's the first piece. That's the... This must be some sort of cradle. Oh my gosh. I need screws. Oh boy. I have to do some work here. Ooh, let my skirt go. One more piece. Nope, out of there. Hey. Go. There we go. Let's just bring these pieces a little bit closer for you guys to see. Right there. Who just got beeped? Yeah, and this was the cradle here. So I'm pretty sure this is going to screw on, and then you can put these here. What else is in here? Okay, so this is the plug. This main section here. So this is the actual vacuum. This is the life here. Everything together, and there's there's one more piece, but let me just move this box out of the way. Place this guy right here. All right, here we go. Pieces. Nice bristles. Pretty sure this should have pretty good suction. I have a ball Dyson as well, the bigger one, and this moves similar to that large one. Alright, should I read the directions to put this thing together? I think that's a good idea. So I will meet you guys back after I read the direction and put these pieces together. Okay, so the instructions are pretty clear, pretty straightforward. I'm going to come up and show you how the assembly will go for this Dyson V7. Here you go. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to click them all together and see how it works. Pretty simple, really quick, very quick. So, hit my fan. Okay, so here's the high suction toggle and the max suction. The battery will show over here, and then this is, it's kind of heavy. This thing feels like about 20 pounds. No, it feels a little heavy, probably 15, 18 pounds to me anyway. So this is how you will open and dispose of any dust bunnies that you have. Step 1, 2, and 3. There is a little section here for charge level. And then this is the suction button for however high or strong you want it. Filters up top here. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's really light, you know, and this hooks down really nice and easy. So that's good. This is what the plug looks like. It's kind of big, but that's okay. And then this is the attachment here. Okay, so if I wanted to use it as a handheld, I would just pull this out. This guy in, just like that. Press. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Slide in. It's really light when we have these pieces. I can also easily detach from this side. Attach it here, and I can do my steps, and this is one thing I really wanted, and it's going to be so easy and nice to work with. I don't know if there's anything else I need to share about this right now. Basically, I wanted to just open the box and share with you guys what was in the box and how easy or how hard it was to put the pieces together. And it was very, very simple. I mean, the manual instruction is basically a pictorial, so nothing really difficult on that front. And I mean, there's a few warnings, and how often do people really read these things? I don't know. There really isn't much to share, you know. I need to use it first, and then I can say, well, okay, using it was difficult or hard, or, you know, getting rid of all the dust was terrible because I couldn't do this or I couldn't do that, or it was really easy to do because once I hit this button, everything just came out really nice and easy. So I have to go through the process because everything here is pretty much a pictorial inside of this thing, and it's a lot of common sense, really. So nothing difficult, like I said. It's a really, right now, based on what I'm dealing with and what I'm seeing, it's going to be pretty easy to work with. The biggest thing I would say that might be a turnoff is if the suction isn't good, I'm not seeing that it's working well, or if there's some sort of malfunction while using it. But for now, that is what I wanted to do. I will probably share a follow-up video, and then if there are any quirks or any negative aspects or all the positives about it, I will share in another video. So thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will meet you on my next upload. Bye.